Apply 2 coats of Primer S colored, slightly sandy and appropriately diluted. Primer S must be colored according to the color chosen from the color chart. Leave minimum 4–5 hours between each coat. After drying Primer S, mix manually Decor DeLuxe Base and Arte Perla, and spread with a spatial spalter for Decora, making criss-cross movements. After at least 30 minutes, lightly press Decor DeLuxe with spatial spatula for Decora. The final effect of Decora can be clearly seen after it has completely dried after 4 or 5 hours.